Hello everyone, welcome to AlignBooks. Imagine walking into your favorite retail store and finding a special offer on a single product you love. Maybe it's 10% off your favorite snack or 50 rupees off your favorite coffee beans. These aren't random discounts. They're planned promotions designed to boost sales and make customers happy. In AlignBooks POS, you can create these kinds of offers easily through different types of promotions. Let's walk through them one by one. For example, sometimes you just want to put a discount on a particular item, maybe 10% off on a favorite snack or a flat 50 rupees off on coffee beans. Other times, the offer is linked to how much the customer spends. A value-based discount. For instance, get 100 rupees off when you shop for 1,000 rupees or more. Then there's the quantity-based discount, which works great for bulk buyers. A classic example is buy 5 notebooks and get 10% off. In this video, we'll explore each of these promotion types step by step. First, let's see discount on item. Open the POS module, go to POS Masters, and click on Promotions. To create a new one, select Create New Promotion. In the description field, enter a name so you can easily identify it later. In the Type dropdown, choose Discount on Item. Next, set the From to period to decide how long the promotion will run. You can also set a specific time range, for example, from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day. Under Discount On, choose whether the discount should be calculated on the item value or the taxable value. Let's pick item value for this example. In Calculation, select Rate if you want the discount in percentage, or Fix Amount if you want to specify it in currency value. Based on the calculation, mention the rate or amount in Discount Rate field as required. Suppose mention 10% discount. If you want to exclude certain locations, you can select them here. And if you're using the Parent-Child Company feature in AlignBooks, you can also skip any child company from this promotion. You can check the video link in the description to learn more about the parent-child concept. When running multiple promotions, you can set the sequence number to decide which one should be applied first if an item falls under more than one promotion. Tick All Item if you want the promotion to apply to every product. If not, click Select Item X button to choose specific items by type, group, or name. Suppose you want to give discount on a specific item group of chocolate. Click OK when done. Finally, review your setup and click Save to activate the promotion. To create an invoice, open the Point of Sale module and select POS Invoice. Choose the counter, salesman, and customer. For example, if the customer purchases a product called cake from the chocolate item group, you will see its value displayed as 900 rupees. To apply a promotion, click the Run Promotion button. A promotional discount of 90 rupees will get applied, as 10% of 900 rupees is equals 90 rupees. The next promotion is Value-Based Discount. To set it up, go to Promotions, and in the Type dropdown, select Value-Based Discount. You'll notice fields for value up to and discount. For example, if you want to offer 100 rupees off when a customer spends 1,000 rupees or more, enter 1,000 in the Value Up to field and set the discount as 10%. You can either apply this promotion to specific items or to all items. In Calculation option, select whether you want to apply discount as rate, that means 10% of the item value, or fix amount of rupees 10. Suppose select Rate. The rest of the setup process remains the same. Once done, click Save. Now, suppose a customer purchases a cake worth 1,000 rupees. When you click the Run Promotion button, a discount of 100 rupees will be applied automatically. Another type of promotion is quantity-based discount. To create this, go to Promotions, and in the Type dropdown, select Quantity-Based Discount. In this promotion, you just need to decide whether the discount should be applied as a rate, that means percentage, or a fix amount. Let's select Fix Amount for this example. Let's say if the customer buys 10 cake, they will get a discount 1,500. Enter the details and then click Save. Now, When you create an invoice and enter a quantity of 10 for cake, simply click on the Run Promotion button. You'll see that a discount of 1,500 rupees is applied automatically. That's how you can apply promotions. To book a demo, call us or visit our website, AlignBooks.com. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.